This meeting is being recorded.
We discussed about the visual level filter, page level filter, across pages filter. Apart from this, we have something else called drill through filter is available. Okay. What is drill through filter? For example, in this case, this is my executive summary page. For example, this is my executive summary. Let's assume that this is the first page in my report. It gives me the summary of the gist of the sales performance, okay, my business performance. Here I can see that. Okay, now what I want to do is when I select any specific region, I want to see what is the which category and which subcategory we made sales. We wanted to take a detailed look at the report. Or if I select any specific category here, or let's say if I click on, let's take this example. Okay, if I click on the consumer segment, okay, instead of this one, I will use, let me do one thing. Why the segment is coming here, I'll just remove it. Yeah, if I select any specific category, if I right click on any specific category, I want to take a deep dive. So this one gives me, see, let's assume that this page gives me the big picture, high level view about my business. I want to take a deep dive. For example, technology. In the technology category, I want to see the category wise how much sales and profit we made. And at the same time, category wise, subcategory wise, I want to take a deep dive. Okay, so it is not advisable to keep the detailed itemized transaction at the summary page. It will be cluttered. You will not have the space by keeping all the report in a single page. Summary page, you keep all the important visuals that will help the management to gain the insights at an high level. And if they want to take a deep dive to understand the specific category or segment of your report in a very detailed manner, the drill through filter is very much helpful. In that kind of situation, we'll use something called drill through filter. There are few steps are involved in the case of creating a drill through filter. So first you need to create a drill through page. The step one is create a drill through page. So I'm going to create, I just clicked on the plus sign here. I create a new page here. This is my drill through page. Here, what I will do is I'll just put some visuals here. And then I'm going to select the matrix visual also here. Here, what I will do is in this matrix visual, I'm going to select the category. How many units we sold, how much profit we made, and how much sales we made. And here I'm going to increase the font size. Yes, Priya, I'm going to increase the font size, don't worry. When I click on the executive summary page, when I select any specific category, it'll get routed to this page. It'll get navigated automatically to this page, and it shows the detailed information about. Okay, I don't want to see just the sales. I want to see the quantity and profit, and also I want to see the country wise what is the sales here. I'm going to include the country also here. The columns are country here. Yes, you can see that country-wise sales here. Instead, what I will do is I will just move the country to the rows itself so that you can drill down. Your report will be compact. And if you click on this all down one level in the hierarchy, you can see each category and each country, how much sales or profit we made. So usually what we do is we keep the profit after the sales. and the quantity. Okay, so how many units we sold, how much sales we made, how much profit we made. Here, what I will do is I will just put the subcategory here, and each subcategory, how much sales we made. So we can see that in phones subcategory, these 4 subcategories, the sale is more. So this is my drill through page. Okay, I just right click on it and I'm going to give some meaningful name here. I'm going to say drill through. This is my drill through page. Here, if I go to the executive summary, and if I right click on this visual, I need to enable something called drill through option here. When I click on this, it should pass the value from, for example, if I select this specific slice, technology slice, and if I click on the drill through, it should pass this value technology to this page. And then in the technology segment, which all subcategory we are selling more sale, we are making more sales, and the technology segment, which all country, how much sales we made, everything we should be able to see it. Okay. So in this case, what we need to, step 1, we have created the drill through page, and step 2, what we are going to do is now, and if you scroll down here, if you see at the bottom here, not scrolling down, just beneath the visualizations at the bottom, you can see drill through fields here, add drill through fields here. In this case, I'm going to click on the category. Sorry, not here. I just drop this here, add drill through fields here, keep all filters, category. Look here, and category, all the categories are available. In each category, how many number of records also it shows here. Good. The first step 1 is you create the drill through page. And step 2, you need to drop the drill through column here, just beneath the key filters. Okay. The moment you do it, you will find the left arrow button here. This one will get enabled automatically. When you see the left arrow in a report, see on the top left corner, if you find this button, that means this page is a drill through page, drill through report, detailed page. You just think that it is a detailed page. This is a summary page, this is a detailed page. Since I have used the category column as a drill through field here, when I keep the cursor over, right click on it, you can see the drill through option got enabled here. So now what I did, I just pointed this technology slicer, and then I right clicked on it, and if I click on drill through, it goes to the drill through page automatically, and it should show the technology related information in detail in different aspect. If you want to view the report in different aspect, the drill through filter is very much helpful. Look here you can see only the technology, right? So you can see the technology category. So which all country we made sales, and you can probably click on this one, the sales here, to display the descending order. When you do this, you can see that the United States tops the sales. United States top the sales. Second top country sales we made in Australia. Top 5 tops is, you can see it here. And profit is also more, and the sales is also more in United States, and the quantity also we can see that. Here, all we can see here is the category, different category, how much sales we made at a high level. In technology, we made in total, it gives me the segment, yeah, market share, right? So 29.3 quantity, it shows the quantity here. Or probably, right, instead of, let me do one thing. I'll just remove the quantity here, and I'll put sales here. Not product ID. The sales. This gives me the sales here. Okay, if you see the slice of all the 3 slices, the technology slice is bigger one. Now, if I do the drill through, it shows me the technologies category with different aspects, right? Different aspects of the reports, different range of reports. You can see it. The technology we can make out quickly. The phones and copiers, we are selling it more. And if I go back to the executive summary page, and if I keep the cursor over the second topmost is furniture, and furniture is 20 lakh, and here you have the 15 lakh. When I keep the cursor over here and right click on it, when I click on the drill through, now it will show the furniture related information in different dimensions. Look here in furniture. Even the case of furniture, you can see the United States tops the sales. And you can see that here the bookcases and chairs. These are the two subcategories we are selling more. Knowing which category we are selling, we are generating more revenue starts appearing. And in each category, which subcategory are we selling more? For example, the furnishings, we are not selling more. Probably you can discontinue that. Discontinue selling it. If it is generating any negative margin, the sales is not good, you can discontinue. Rather, you can focus more on this. So now you can focus more on this top selling subcategory. Probably you can give more advertisement, deploy more salespeople. Because these are the one purchased by more customers, preferred by more customers. Hardly few people are purchasing it. The sale is not that much. You will get different perspective with the help of the drill through filter. So here you just it gives you the gist of what is happening at the category level, right? So, and when you selected this one, you could see that you will get different insights, right? So it gives you the whole different range of experiences, right? You see that, okay, these two subcategories are selling more, and the United States and Australia are selling more. We can understand this one here. And also you can probably you can use the card visual here. Here you can put the number of customers, how many number of customers, and if you go here and you can drop the customer ID or how many number of orders we are getting it. You just drop the order ID, and then you just select the drop down here and count distinct. You select it. It gives you how many number of orders that we received it in this specific segment. So what are the steps involved? Very simple one. The first step is you need to create the drill through page, and in the drill through page, what are the visuals that you needed, you can put it here. And then in the drill through page, if you look at the right below the visualization, the last option, right, to keep all filters. Here you need to drag and drop the columns that you want to pass it from your executive summary. The category we want to pass it here, right? And the category column you just specify as a drill through field. That's it. In the home page, if you go back here, and if you start right click on it, you will find it drill through got enabled. Now, can I do the same thing here? When I right click on it, here the drill through was not enabled. Why? Look here, the drill through was not enabled, whereas here it is enabled. Drill through option is enabled here. Here it is not enabled because in the drill through page, I have used the category column as a drill through field. So pass the filter, the category field here. For example, if you scroll down here, you can see that the furniture got selected. That means I have selected the furniture column here. I kept the cursor over the furniture column. I right clicked on it. And when I clicked on the drill through here, what happens? The furniture got passed to this drill through page. It got filtered. Okay, in the category column, the furniture got selected. The rest of them got unselected. Okay, now we will go back to the executive summary and we will see, is there any way if I can do something here, okay, for this market. And then I just go back to the drill through and see market. You can you have more than one drill through? So you have something called market is available. I'm going to drop that one also here. Can I have more than one drill through fields? Yes, that is also possible. Market got dropped here, and I go back to the executive summary. And here APAC, I right click on it. And then look here, the drill through got enabled. When I click on this, the category, specific category. Okay, in this case, office supplies. Let me let's check here. And 3988. For example, if I select the furniture here, and then when I right click on APAC and drill through to the next page, furniture in APAC, how many number of orders we received, how much sales we made, how much profit we made. It's beautiful feature, isn't it? That's how we can add more than one drill through fields in this keep all filters section. Okay, and then you can use this drill through here once you are done with this. So step one is create a detail page, which is nothing but a drill through page. In the drill through page, you drag and drop the drill through fields which you want to pass the columns from your executive summary to this one. Once you're done, you're all set, and you will find the back button here. If you see any page with this back button, there is a higher chances that is a drill through page. Either you can click on, instead of clicking on the executive summary, hold your control key, click on the back button. It will take you to the previous page, executive summary. And here, wherever the drill through fields for whichever visual that you have used the drill through fields in the detail page, for those visuals, you can see the drill through option got enabled. Hope with this you are able to understand how to create a drill through filter and what kind of situations you can use the drill through. You can also use the combination of the slicer also. With the slicer, you can filter it. And again, with that, you can take a detailed view there. For example, if I select furniture here, only the furniture got displayed here. And if you go to the drill through page, here, you can see the furniture here. Let me just check it out here. Let me just go here. And for example, I'm going to select technology here now. And if I go to the drill through page, it is not changing it. It is not changing it because this slicer, whatever the selection that you make it, that one will get applied only to this page. Okay, but drill through filter, it will take you to the next page. So again, you need to see, just applying the filter using slicer is not sufficient to go to the drill through page. What you do is you need to select the visual and then you need to do a drill through. So technology, and which subcategory are we selling more? How many number of customers are there in this technology? Well, we can see it here. Hope you understood how to create the drill through pay filter and how you can create the drill through reports with these steps, whatever I explained.